You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Infatuated.
And you're a sad little man whose best days never happened.
Lisa, I enjoyed that. And I enjoy nothing.
Mr. and Mrs. Simpson, I called you in here because Lisa's behavior has become wry, sardonic, and yes, poetically world-weary.
I know what's going on. Lisa's become infatuated with this snobby, judgy British crooner from the 80s.
Seven may seem intimidating, but that's only a reaction to the way people treat her. In fact, she's an efficient and charming young woman.
Efficient, I'll give you that.
But charming? Most people don't take the time to look beyond her exterior. Did you know she has a lovely singing voice?
I've never asked her to sing for me.
What are you implying?
Well, it sounds like you're getting a little infatuated with your star pupil.
Infatuated? That's absurd.
I found her.
Found me. He did more than that. He saved my life.
He did?
From a falcon.
We have a hero here. Way to go, Stuart.
Hey, Dad.
What?
Silver lining.
Isn't it nice that Stuart has a friend?
Well, I don't think Stuart thinks of her as a friend.
What do you mean?
I mean, he's smitten. He's infatuated. He's bedazzled.
Stuart?
Mm-hmm.
Cassie.
Yes?
Cassie.
Yes.
Cassie.
Yes.
Cassie.
He certainly has a way with word.
Why does he keep saying my name over and over again?
Cassie.
He's infatuated with you.
Cassie.
You become a mixture of fantasy and reality.
Infatuated. Filled with an intense but often foolish or short-lived admiration or love for someone or something. Often describes a strong crush or fascination that clouds judgment. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Pining.
When you rose up against Apophis, did you leave behind someone that you loved?
My son and I have been reunited. He has become a great warrior, traveling with my mentor Braytak, spreading word of our cause.
And what of his mother? Does she sit at home pining away for her hero?
She is.
I am sorry, Teal'c.
You could not have known.
Because maybe I'm afraid that he'll always be in love with Amelia?
That's a terrible feeling, thinking somebody you're in love with is pining for someone else. I mean, trust me, I know, but hey. Come on, I've seen Owen with you. That man's clearly in love with you. It's seeping out of his ruddy little pores. Trust me, I'd be the first one to tell you otherwise.
You kissed me, and ever since you've been avoiding me.
Alex.
No, you've been avoiding me because you just assume that I want you. Well, you just expect that everyone you look at sideways is pining after you, right? Has it even occurred to you that maybe I'm not interested?
You're not interested.
You think I want to be just another intern sleeping with an attending?
You kissed me back.
You're my boss. I mean, what'd you expect me to do?
Nah, my pulse is rapid.
Because you're still pacing.
Feel me.
No, I'm not gonna feel you.
Seriously.
Seriously, no.
You know, you're an ass. You've lived. You've done things. And you got the hair. And the hot wife. And the beautiful ex-mistress who pines for you.
She's pining for me?
My point is you've lived. If you die, who cares? If I die... What, this is it?
Pining. Feeling deep longing or sadness for someone or something that is absent or unattainable. Often used when someone misses a person, place, or time intensely. Platonic.
Mary Beth Mosley. We called her M&M. Melts in your mouth. Hey, it was the 80s. blame it on the boogie.
What was your relationship with Miss Mosley, Counsel?
Strictly platonic. Is one I didn't get a chance to put in the trophy case.
Oh, I can see her still weighs on you.
But am I showing an insufficient amount of reverence for the Forgive me. Anyway, like I say, I just admired her from afar.
That is awesome!
And it was all planned by a girl.
So, Lily, later on tonight, you want to,
Whoa, that was all just part of the act. You knew that, right?
Yeah, totally. We pulled it off, right? Platonic shake.
So does Lisa know
Know what?
how you feel about her? I know it's probably none of my business, but I saw the way you two were together, and
We were, no. Lisa and I were just, it's strictly professional. Platonic. Professionally platonic, we're not.
oh, I'm sorry, I totally misread.
Oh, no, it's a simple mistake. No, that happens, sometimes.
Whoa. Looks like the old makeout king's got a new queen, huh?
Guys, we're just friends. It's purely catatonic.
Platonic.
That means she's into me, but I'm keeping it cool.
I like you, but that's not what it means.
Sure, right.
Here you go, the antipasto to share. Ooh.
Would you fellas like to join us?
Platonic. Describing a close, affectionate relationship that is purely friendly and not romantic or sexual. Often used to clarify that the bond is emotionally strong but non-romantic. Unrequited.
So, when's the happy day?
I don't have plans to marry.
Now that tops all. This is the most confounding piece of information yet.
She doesn't have feelings for me.
Unrequited. I'm being thrown over for an unrequited love? You won't even settle for me! My God!
Settle for you?
I had a huge crush on Robin DeMaine. Thoroughly unrequited crush. I was skimming through my yearbook and saw what she wrote me. I have only 2 regrets. My haircut in junior year, and that you never asked me out.
Is that all the scary, messy, embarrassing stuff that guys never ever tell anyone?
Pretty much.
I told you I'd give it a try.
Yeah, that was like 6 years ago.
But maybe it just took some time to get used to the idea. I meant to congratulate you on winning the game.
We never finished it.
You did, while I was asleep. I didn't know the word, though.
Oh, I don't even remember which word I put down.
Limerence. I looked it up.
You did.
Kind of unrequited love.
There's Meredith Reagan. I got her Army transcript unsealed. Spoke with her CO in Kabul. Like Jalen said, she actually killed someone with her bare hands.
Who?
She thought it was an insurgent. Turned out to be a translator. She agreed to leave the Army. The Army agreed not to press charges.
So, what is her motive for killing De La Rosa?
Mentor, team leader, unrequited love. It's a Valentine's Day massacre.
Unrequited. Not returned or not reciprocated, especially referring to love or affection. Usually describes loving someone who does not feel the same way. It's easy to be infatuated by those who think like we do, or at least if we find them to be cute. If they don't have the same feelings as we do, then we might find ourselves pining them. If they don't see us romantically, then we might accept a platonic relationship. If our feelings never go away, then it will become an unrequited love. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Also, what is your favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Benjamin Lee Worf. Language shapes the way we think and determines what we can think about.